Hello everybody! In today's tutorial, I will show you how to curve text on Microsoft Office PowerPoint. So first, open your PowerPoint presentation and follow these simple steps. So now I need to insert an object. This object is called the word art. So let's just insert any word art that I want, and you can give it the colors and styles that you want. Let's just give it let's highlight it so it can be visible. Now we'll need to customize it. Test or curvy curvy text, and we can just here shape fill and format effects, and then we will go for here, and we need to search for the shape format here, and we will go for the outline. You can choose whatever you want, and then in the text effect you can give it shadows, you can give it reflection, for example like this. You can just add whatever you want, and finally we go for the transformation. You can go for the transform and have it follow path or just be in curved text. So we are just going to have it like that, and just uh, just make no fill. So let's have this curve, or we can give it another curve and to be like this. uh, huh, it's just like that, and you can curve your text however you want. You can also give it other curvy from here and here, and give it all the curves that you want for your text. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.